Hi, I'm Kara, and I'm an interior designer and the creator of your Insta-fied STR, which is a specialized mini course to help STR owners make more revenue by making their short-term rental Instagrammable. Here's why an Instagrammable STR makes more revenue. An Instagrammable space is eye-catching, which leads to more clicks and bookings. An Instagrammable space also gives your guests a really unique experience, which can lead to great ratings and reviews for you. So an Instagrammable space gets more bookings and great reviews. Hence, you can charge and get more revenue. Now, in this short video, I'm going to walk you through how your Instagrammable STR works. So I'm going to try to share my screen. See here, okay. Perhaps, let's try to get it to work. There we are. Okay, so you're here. Excuse me about that. You are here on this page. This is all about your Insta-fied STR. Here's the video you're watching. And along this page are buttons where you can click Buy Now. If you click and purchase the system, you'll be taken to my Thinkific website that looks something like this. And as you can see, there are 3 elements to your Instagrammable STR. And you'll be using all 3: worksheets, a clickable buying list, and a detailed video. And these are going to all 3 guide you to create your custom Instagrammable plan. All right, let's start with the worksheets. You'll click here and it'll take you to this set of worksheets. Okay, and this you can print out, or I think we do have the capability for you to fill it out digitally. And then also there is a clickable buying list. So you're going to want to, open up this clickable buying list on a new tab and just keep it open and you'll be working from this. And finally, third is a detailed video where I walk you through the system when you go through it for yourself. Okay, so I'm going to show you a quick version of how this is made just for you. Now, completing your Instagrammable STR takes about 20 to 30 minutes, so it's good to block off that small amount of time. And let's start with the worksheets. All right, the InstaSolver worksheets. And you'll just follow right along the video. There is an order to this. You need to go in order. You can pause the video as needed to make notes and think through things and just follow along. Plus, as I said, have that InstaSolver click list, the buying list, open somewhere on your device nearby, because you're going to use that in conjunction with the worksheets. All right, so there are some things that you'll want to decide at first. Don't overthink this. Probably the first thing that comes to your mind is most likely the right answer. So how much money do you want to invest? Who are your ideal guests? Where in your unit might an Instagrammable item look great? And when would you like it finished? And there are things to consider with each of those questions. And I show you that in more detail in the longer video in the program, in the system. All right, now this worksheet here, this is a magical worksheet. After you've answered these questions, you move on to this. And let's say you've decided, okay, I can spend up to $50. And then you think, all right, do I want it done within 1 week, or can I have a little more time and I'll do it in a month? Let's say you decide you want it done in 1 week and you decide on a painted accent wall. All right, having decided that, you'll go to your InstaSolver clickable purchase list. And the first item here is an indoor or outdoor painted accent wall. And then this row is going to tell you all about it. You'll have the link that takes you to the exact items to buy. You will want to choose color and size. In this case, you'll get a bold color and you're going to get it in the mix of a multi-surface paint and primer in one. You'll get 1 gallon quantity. And the price as of March 2022 is $25 for all the items. Your lead time, which is the amount of time that it takes to receive your items, will be about a week, 7 days. Your installation time, how long it takes to put it in your STR, will be 1 day. And then this column here tells how to install that particular Instagrammable item. Okay, so I want to walk you through this worksheet just a little bit more to show you how magical and awesome it is. This, for up to $50, is the example we use. Say you need it finished in a week, and you only want to spend up to $50. You're going to do an accent wall or a swing. Or maybe you have a little more time, you decide to go in a month with this Instagrammable item. You're going to do a living wall or a giant wall painting. Okay, so now this is all red, and you can see here that your clicking list for the $50 amount, that's all in red also. Right. And as I said, these click you exactly to the items that you'll need. And I vetted them. I actually update this every other month. You can use your Insta-fied STR over and over for multiple units. Okay, so excuse me, that is for, oh, I hope that'll go away. There we go. Let's go back to the worksheets. Okay, and then when I say that'll go away, I'm talking about this bar that shows up sometimes. Let's go back to the worksheets. Okay, so here in the top are for those items you can go up to $50, and then there's $100 up to $1,000, and then when you can spend more than $1,000 to Insta-fy your STR. Okay, so then you're going to go ahead and write down your exact plan. Go ahead and decide, and this will be all on one sheet for you, what item you want to get, where it'll go, and where to buy. And then your when questions, when to order, when to put it in its place, and also photography and who to hire for install. Every question you can go through and answer and have an exact plan just for you. All right, so that is it. It is straightforward, and I've made it as easy for you as possible to make your unit Instagrammable so that it gets lots of bookings and great reviews, and it will quickly let you charge and get more revenue. Now there's a link below this video to click if you'd like to ask me any questions. I hope this has been helpful, and good luck making your unit more Instagrammable for more revenue.